Have you guys ever had those mornings where you wake up and you're like, you're gonna get so much work done today?
I'm gifted. I'm different. I'm gifted. I'm different. Pre-roll my dope, I'm lifted. I'm floating. I'm glitching. I'm gifted. I'm lawless. I'm itching. You don't want no smoke, you jawsing. He flogging.
Today is one of them days. I feel like I want to get so much stuff done today. I know I've already had like a late start. I was supposed to be in the gym, guys, by 8 this morning. It's already 9. So I'm already off to a late start, but it's all good. We're going to make it happen. We're going to make it do what it do. I don't think I'm going to make it to the gym today. I think I want to just hop in the garage and knock out a home workout today. And then after that, I'm gonna take you guys with me and let's see how much work we can get done today.
Turning practice to perfection took some trying. Who'd have thought that I'd get my next blessing from some lines? I turned this rap shit into my profession and defied all they projections. No ceiling on what's manifesting in my mind, cause I get stronger when the pressure build. More hunger, what's next to kill. Grind with the time I had and get paid over time. This so refined, just peep the detail. And it's all for retail. I used to get my inspo from the store that was for. Now it don't cross my mind so much cause everything high. I don't even check the traffic flow cause everything fly. Before us whips, now I got extra keys. Just text my lady, I'm the greatest, she said yes indeed. Can't play it safe, I'm taking risks cause I know what could be. Where that could lead, you best believe I'll be the first to see. I paid the price to know my worth so I can't work for free. And put my soul in every moment, it's all sacrifice just by what you think worth the bleed. What you think worth the scars? Girl, it's way more to the world than fancy cars. We gon' live today, we might not see tomorrow. You gon' miss the galaxy, try and see the stars. Contemplate daily what's gon' get us far. No need to buy the world cause it's already ours. And I'm no longer searching for another reason. When I'm through with this earth, I might just rise up out the dirt and ball another season.
Alrighty, we made our store run. Now we on to the hair appointment. I low-key remember how to get here. Oh, you said it's a different spot.
Place.
But it's in the same area.
No, she's like 20 minutes away from where she lives. She lives in Lake Las Vegas. Tomorrow's my birthday.
Tomorrow morning, babe. Super early morning, baby.
Dang, I wanted to go float, and I'm still not going to be able to float tomorrow.
Why can't you float in the morning?
I'm getting my hair done today. You want me to get in water tomorrow? That's crazy.
Come on.
I'm paying $200 to get my hair put in today, and you want me to get my put water in Epsom salt water?
Look, we rushing. We don't even know the gate code. We don't even know the gate code. Yeah, this is out here.
Definitely. She's always lived far.
This ain't far.
This is far.
This is extremely far.
This isn't another, like, we're not even in Las Vegas anymore.
Nope, we're not in Las Vegas anymore. We are in...
The gate code is... I love you.
I love you too, baby.
Be safe.
Gotta make sure my woman get inside okay, you hear me? Can't trust everybody. That'd be fun if I just took some pictures of her license plate, huh? Nah, that's a creeper, I'm just kidding. So yeah, man, so I'm gonna be creating some new content for this company called Rockstar Original. And the plus side of it is they're gonna also be giving me some clothes and stuff like that to rock out while I'm on set in my productions. If you like Rockstar, you know, you like the vibe, you like the clothes, I'll leave the link in my bio to where you guys can actually place your orders. And then you can actually use my discount code to get some pretty cool discounts. I really like fashion. I've been into fashion for a very long time, man, as long as I can remember. I like looking good. I like nice clothes. I like clothes that make you feel good when you wear it. You know what I'm saying? Let's see where we can go over here in Lake Las Vegas to create some content.
I started out hopeless, start touching road, now I'm over focused. Now my flow the coldest, I mean that shit and I ain't just trolling. Pocket full of green, ain't got enough, I ain't got enough. Need that baby money till my niggas lifting bottles up. I'm like, welcome to the good life. I came from top ramen where it's banging if it's cooked right. Adding hot dogs and sardines, looking back it was all green. And I'm finna seize the day, I'm feeling like Cardeem. This new whip, I got a rocket, I'm looking like Hakeem. Elijah want me, I wonder what y'all seen. Me, myself, and I, self-efficient, I'm too extreme. Took the road, let's travel, them lights, it's all green. Hold up. Yeah. Yeah. Even good things. Yeah.
Okay guys, that was one take really quick. I am creating some reels that is targeted towards my business owners that is looking to use video content to bring them more clients. These reels that I'm creating right now are going to be for my social media as well as for my YouTube shorts. I want to make sure that I am focused and I'm talking to the business owners that are looking to get into content marketing, but they're not getting the results that they want. As long as you can show people exactly what it is that you're capable of doing, it just makes the process of working with you that much easier. Create dope content, be very consistent when it comes to your reels. Sometimes you're too busy throughout the week, so you got to find those little gaps in your days to where you can take maybe a few hours and create maybe, you know, 4 to 5 reels that'll last you for the rest of the week. This is it, man. This is how I create my content. I'm a perfectionist, and so in order for me to be more consistent with YouTube, I got to eliminate that perfectionist, because me being a perfectionist always slows me down, because it has to be perfect, right? It got to be right on point. It has to be solid. It got to hit every single time. The content got to be just dope, and sometimes that can slow you down. Being a perfectionist can absolutely slow you down because you're so worried about every moving piece being perfect. It's not always like that sometimes.
Please fill my cup. Am I really asking for much? It's been a long week, I'm looking for fun. Please fill my cup. Find me under the sun. SOS, I'm just looking for a good time. Oh, 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 oh. And I'm singing like.
Look who's in the frame now. So she got her hair done, so now she can be in front of the camera. All right, so anyway, she's gonna help me shoot these reels, guys. So just to let you know, this is a small rig lavalier mic, guys. Small rig has definitely came up a lot. I remember small rig when it was just using tools. Like, it was just the gear. It was the handle, it was the gear case for the camera. It wasn't all of the lights now that you see by small rig. It wasn't the audio. Yeah, shout out to small rig. What you hear me on is it's all small rig, except right now we have a Rode mic on top of this camera, guys. So if you guys hear this quality, is coming from a Rode mic, so shout out to Rode mic as well. The lavaliers that we're using for the phone for the content is by small rig. But yeah, let's get this content in, man.
I'm a soldier motherfucker and I put that on my mama and them. Heard them talking reckless, they don't really wanna prod them then. Tell them wakey wakey when I drop another bomb again. Blessing holy water but be sinking when it's time to swim. Finish with the trauma, bring the dollars in. I just left the streets but still the women say they proud of him. Nothing fabricated, so the truth I bring it out of them. Still believe in God, I'm like Daniel in the lion's den. They can burn the city, but a nigga still be reppin' roast. I ain't known to come up, little bitch, I'm a professional. Walk into the building, do my shit and grab a check and go. Set back hella scars, but a nigga still exceptional. Whoa, 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 whoa. Who gon' tell him no? How you supposed to win when this melanin is criminal? Rapping cause lieutenant, I'ma get it, that's in general. City red and blues, know these niggas not political.
Yeah, kinda done, so my nigga, I don't feel shit. I been prayed up, it's ironic how I kill shit. Went from taking buses to them busing, that's a field trip. Bible in my hand, but my pocket got a steel grip. Spirit kinda numb, so my nigga, I don't feel shit. I been prayed up, it's ironic how I kill shit. Went from taking buses to them busing, that's a field trip. Bible in my hand, but my pocket got a steel grip. I'm a motherfucking general. Yeah, I said it, niggas acting hella.
All right, y'all, so that is gonna wrap our vlog for today. I appreciate you guys for tuning in, and I really hope that if you stayed here to the end, you was able to learn a lot when it comes to how to stay consistent on social media and get a lot of work done, even when you have a late start. You know what I mean? Because hey, we're not all perfect. Sometimes it be like that sometimes, and we can have a late start and feel like we're not gonna be as productive, but as long as we stay focused, we can definitely still make it happen and get a lot of work done. Make sure you hit that notification bell so that way you can stay up to date on what's going on over here on the channel, and definitely hit that subscribe bell. And if you guys have any questions, or you want to see some new content, or you got some ideas that you want to see me recreate, I have a lot of new ideas that I want to bring to the table and show you guys, like some camera versus phone ideas, some competition shows. I have so much going on, and I want you to be in the loop and on the journey with me. Thank you so much for tuning in. Y'all stay creative, man, and let's go.